Hey guys, welcome to the 39th C# tutorial that I'm making for the new Boston. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the StreamWriter class. So all you're going to need for this tutorial is two buttons and a text box. And this right button right here is disabled on startup, and I'll show you why later. Also, you're going to need to be using the system.io namespace because the StreamWriter class is inside of this system.io namespace, just like the StreamReader class. And right here we have a private string path, and that will be set equal to the open file dialog's file name, or the path to the file that the open file dialog opens. So then we can use this path later to create an instance of a StreamWriter. And also, it enables button 2, or this right button right here, only when the user opens a file. So now when you click the right button, we're going to want to create a new instance of a StreamWriter. So we're going to do StreamWriter, SW for StreamWriter, or you can name it anything you'd like. Then set it equal to a new StreamWriter. Then do file dot open write, because we are going to be writing this time and not reading. And then inside of here, we're just going to want to put the path. And we already created a string for that, so we're just going to use this path string. Alright, so now once we have our StreamWriter created, we can do sw.write. And basically, this will just write into our text file. So we're just going to have it write the contents of text box 1. So this way, we can write text inside of text box 1, and it will just write that into our text file. And then we're just going to want to dispose of this StreamWriter so that we don't get any errors like being used by another process or something like that. So now when we debug, you can see this right button is disabled, and it will only be enabled when we open a file. Like if we don't open a file, it's not enabled. So now we open our text file, and now our button is enabled. We can write something to our file. I'm just going to have it write, my name is Adam. So go ahead and click write, and that will just write it into the text file. So now if we go back into Notepad right here, open up that text file, we should see my name is Adam. Yep, my name is Adam. And we can write something else here as well. If we wanted to write just hello, click write, reopen the file, and we see hello. Well, it did write hello. However, instead of just deleting everything that was there and then writing hello, it just wrote hello over what was already there. And there's a reason why. It did open write instead of create. And if we do .create, then what it will do is it says creates or overwrites the specified file with a specified buffer size, file options, and file security. And basically what that means is it will delete everything that is there and then it will write, instead of just writing. So now when we write here, we should only see what we write in this text box and nothing else, nothing that was previously there. So if we just write Adam this time, click write, open up our file in Notepad, should see Adam. Yep, all we see is Adam, there's nothing else there. If we were to write something larger, it's like I am Adam, reopen that. Yep, we just get I am Adam. So now there's another method here besides just write. We can do .writeLine, and what this will do is it will create a new line. So we'll just have it write the contents of text box 1, and then we'll just have it write another line saying this is the second line. So now when we debug and write, should just write Adam. So now when we open our file in Notepad right here, there should be two lines. There should be a line that says Adam, because that's what we wrote or typed in text box 1. And then we should get another line saying this is the second line. So now we go to Notepad, open it up, Get Adam, and this is the second line. Now, if we were to do the write method here again, it would still create another line. And that is because following this line, it puts a special character that will create another line no matter what is typed after it. So if we were to type just, I don't know, Adam here again, then it would be on another line. Let's write hello at the top. Click write. Now we should have 3 lines this time. Yep, we have hello, this is the second line in Adam. But if we were to do write again, then the key difference here between write line and write is write line will only be the one that will create a new line after it. But write doesn't do that, so if we do write again, then this will still be on the same line as Adam. So if we were to write space and then my last name here, then we should get Adam space my last name, and that should all be on the same line. Click write, we'll just write hello at the top again. Click write. We open it up, and again, we should see only 3 lines here, but following this, we should see a space and then my last name. Right. I do open. Yeah, don't save. Yeah, and there we go. We see hello. This is the second line. Adam space my last name. And again, that's because after this, and because of this write line method, it'll create another line after it no matter what you type. So that's it for the 39th C# tutorial, and in the next tutorial we're going to be looking at writing bytes. So, see you guys.